Inside this box is a $1,000 earphones made by Louis Vuitton in partnership with Master and Dynamic. Guys, you heard that right. This is a $1,000, 60,000 peso headphone that we have here in my hand. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Carlo and this is my unboxing and review of the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. Let's go. Before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories maker based out of Australia. They started, I think, mostly with necklaces and bracelets, but just recently, they came out with fashion watches. And speaking of this fashion watch, I am giving one away. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and click the link down below to the rest of the mechanics. I will also put a special 25% link down below in case you guys want to buy any of their products. For this vlog, we will do three things. We will do the unboxing, we will talk about the aesthetics of the product, and we will talk about the technical review of the earphones. Is it worth $1,000? Is it worth 50, 60,000 pesos? So make sure that you guys stay until the very end when we touch on the performance. Let's get to the unboxing first. As with anything Louis Vuitton, it is luxury. Guys, if you haven't been in a Louis Vuitton store, the overall shopping experience is just amazing. Everything from the sales associate to them offering you Evian and iced tea and coffee and all of that good stuff, especially if you are a known customer for them. Now, as with anything, again, Louis Vuitton, it's luxury packaging. You have tangerine colored, I don't know, like carton box with the Louis Vuitton branding emblazoned here at the very top. When I actually got this, it even came with like an LV ribbon and a nice Chinese New Year card because I did buy this in Taiwan. So if you guys haven't seen my Taiwan vlog series yet, check the link down below. 8 or 9 or 10 vlogs all about sneaker shopping in Taiwan. But anyway, as you guys can see, this is the box. It has a magnetic enclosure, so it is easy to close and to open. When you pop it open, there are two things that you will see. The first one, of course, is the actual earphones. This is the leather carrying case with the Louis Vuitton branding in dark blue, and it has some sort of like beige, I don't know, like zipper tie thing going on over here. And then you have the actual earphones and the carrying case inside, which we'll talk about in a bit. Apart from that, we also have the accessories which come in these really nice looking Louis Vuitton pouches. Now, there are two. The first one is probably the most expensive USB-C cable that you will ever find in your life because it has the Louis Vuitton branding. So, so you have the LV logo at the very tip of the USB-C part over there, and then you have the LV logo as well on the cord that keeps the laces together. So guys, this will go down in history probably as one of the most expensive USB-C cables that you will ever find. Please take note that this is USB-C to USB-C, so you need a charger that has a USB-C port to be able to make this work. Now, apart from that, we also have extra lace tips, and this is very, very important. A lot of people who buy earphones don't actually take the time to fit and see which earbud fits the best for them. This is critical, guys, because if you wear something too small for your ear, the sound isolation suffers. So you start to hear ambient sound more. So it is critical that you guys fit and see which one works the best for you and rock that once you find the perfect fit. Then we get to the main event. This is the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. Now, this isn't something that Louis Vuitton made. They actually partnered with New York-based Master and Dynamic, an audio company, a premium audio company, to be able to put this product together. Now, this is not entirely new because the actual earphones is a $300 earphones made by Master Dynamic, which is called the MW07. So at the end of the day, this is a $300 technical like earphones. The $700 that you pay on top of that is for the Louis Vuitton branding and the Louis Vuitton experience. The $700 goes for the leather carrying case. It goes for the LV branding on the charging case, which we'll get to in a bit. It goes to the LV branding on the USB-C cable that you guys saw there. And it goes to the LV branding on the actual earphones. So let's open it. So this is the blue pouch, as you guys see here. And it has some sort of like premium felt lining to be able to keep the actual case clean and safe from scratches. And this is the actual charging carrying case of the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. As you guys can see, it has the LV branding at the very top together with the glass that allows you to see the actual earbuds inside. It's very heavy. It's made from some sort of like really nice quality metal, and it has a USB-C port here at the back for you to charge the carrying case and by default charge the earphones inside of it. So it doesn't have that same satisfying click when you open it to get like the earbuds. This one is actually kind of addictive. If you have the Apple Airpods, you keep on doing this. That's not the same thing with the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones, but it's still very nice. So when you pop it open, then you get to the actual earphones themselves. So what are the aesthetics? Like what I mentioned earlier, this is very similar to the MW07. You have an acetate back plate here with the LV logo. One earphone has L with blue stripes, and then you have the monogram like branding and design over here, and the other one has V with orange and white with, again, the monogram branding of Louis Vuitton. It has stainless steel enclosures, and apart from that, powering this bad boy are 10mm beryllium drivers. Now we get to the most important question. Does it deliver? Does it perform? Do you get your money's worth when it comes to performance? At the end of the day, the real answer to that is no. And I don't mean saying no that it's a crappy product, but the reality is this is a $300 earphone. So if audio is the only thing that you care about, the sound quality, you don't care for the brand, you don't care for luxury, you don't care for Louis Vuitton, then obviously guys, don't buy this. Just buy the MW07, which sells for $300. You can go for Audio-Technica earphones, which also deliver amazing sound quality. Heck, if you want to go like all bass stuff and go true wire and wireless headphones, this Sony, like I forgot the name, it's like the MX1000 or something. It's probably the best noise cancelling headphones that you guys can get today, and that just sells for like 16,000-17,000 pesos. So this one is really truly a luxury product. However, it is a luxury product that doesn't sound bad because it does use premium technical specifications from already $300 earphones, which aren't that bad. For example, when it comes to true wireless earphones like this one, usually the thing that suffers the most is soundstage. Soundstage is that feeling that you get that the music is just so expansive and just surrounds you. It's not the same as surround sound, but it just gives you that depth. It just gives you that feeling that the sound is wrapping around you. And that is rare to find with true wireless earphones. And that is something that I was pleasantly amazed and impressed to see with the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. I was also amazed to find out that the bass wasn't that bad. Again, I didn't have my expectations too high because it is a luxury product, but I was blown away with the bass quality that you get with this one. If you are a bass head though, don't expect wireless earphones, much less earbuds, to be able to deliver that for you. If you're all about the bass, you're still better off going for on-ear or over-ear headphones like this one. So can't say anything bad about the treble and the mids. They are clear, they are warm, they are crispy and satisfying to the ear. One of the best features though is definitely the isolation. Once you put the earphones on, the world just disappears because they really do a great job of keeping ambient noise out. In terms of battery life, they advertise it as 3 hours and 30 minutes. That's not really a problem for me because I don't have 3-hour and 3-minute sound binging sessions. So just make sure to top up the carrying case every now and then you should be fine. What I absolutely hate about this particular product though is the microphone. And that is such a disappointment considering people who will buy this are most likely established entrepreneurs, executives, or businessmen who do a lot of calls on their phones. And for this to have a horrible microphone is just really something that is mind-blowingly annoying. So here's the reality, guys. In terms of sound quality, this is better than the Apple Airpods. But when it comes to the microphone and the overall use case, the Apple Airpods actually kick the ass of the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones. So what's my recommendation? Would I recommend people to buy the Louis Vuitton Horizon earphones? Of course not. The only reason I bought this is number one, I was able to sell a bunch of sneakers to be able to fund it. And number two, I really wanted to review it for this vlog, for this video, because there's a lot of talk going on about these earphones and I wanted to just pitch in and share with the community, share with you guys my thoughts, being a gadget enthusiast and a sneakerhead as well. I just felt that it would be the perfect content for my channel. But to everybody else out there, I mean, seriously, you can just go with the Apple Earpods. You can go with like the Sony like earphones that I mentioned earlier that are super fantastic. And there are a lot of amazing options out there that deliver great audio quality without costing you $1,000. At the end of the day, this is $300 of technical like specifications in earphones. $300. The $700, like what I keep saying, pays for the Louis Vuitton branding, pays for the Louis Vuitton experience, pays for the Louis Vuitton like charging case and the leather pouch, and that's actually what you are paying for, the brand. I still can't get over the fact though that the microphone sucks. I think they should have made every and all effort to be able to make sure that the microphone on this one would work really well, but hey, they missed that one. So anyway guys, that's actually it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to click the links down below to my Taiwan and Japan sneaker shopping guide playlist. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend ahead. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.